Guys, excuse my face, I'm looking a little rough right here, but let's start off with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. It is important to deep condition your hair so your hair is nice and moisturized. Take your blow dryer and a paddle brush or comb or whatever and just simply blow dry your hair out. Make sure you put your heat protectant on. And once you blow dry your hair, these are some materials that you're gonna need. You're gonna need a pack of hair, any type of braiding hair, some elastic bands, the white elastic bands to protect your hair from breakage, some Eco Styler gel, oil, taking it back old school with some less jam, and some Blue Magic conditioner, and some combs and brushes. I already did the back of my hair just because the back is the hardest part to do and I couldn't do that on camera. So I'm just going to show you what I did for the rest of my hair. So you're pretty much just going to take that oil and slather it all over your head to keep it conditioned. And then take the Blue Magic to kind of seal in that moisture. And less jam to give it a little bit of extra hold before you put the gel on. So you're going to take your hair. You don't have to, the only thing you have to do is take the rubber bands off. And then you're going to take a section of hair, depending on how big or how small you want your braids to be. You're just going to take a section of hair and go ahead and put that section of hair to the side. And then go ahead and part your hair however you want it to be parted. Then you're going to need a mirror to help you with the parting because you're not going to be able to just part it without looking. So that's why I'm looking down, because I'm looking at my mirror. You're going to take your Eco Styler gel and make sure that you get it all over your roots. And then just put a tiny amount on the ends as well, just to make sure that the hair blends in. And then you're going to take your edge control and put that on the roots as well, and a little bit on the ends, just so the hair lays down nice and neat and smooth. Then you're going to take your elastic band and wrap it around and make like a little ponytail. And then that section of hair that you already pulled apart, you're going to take the ends and kind of make them uneven. Just tug at the ends to make sure that when you braid it, it's not a blunt cut at the end. You want it to look real smooth and natural. So you're just going to pull at the ends until all the ends are a little bit uneven. Then you're going to take that piece of hair and wrap it around that little ponytail that you made. See? And basically you just start braiding it down. you're done, you're gonna go ahead and go to the next section. You're gonna take your mirror, make sure your part is straight, and follow up with those same last steps with the Eco Styler gel and the edge control. And you're gonna take your brush and make sure that the front of your hair is extra smooth. That's the most important part of your hair. You want that to be smoother than any other part on your head because it is the front. And don't worry about baby hairs right now. You can lay your baby hairs down after you've done all your braids. Separate the hair. Tug at the ends to make it uneven. And you basically just repeat this step until you're done. Once you are done, you're going to go ahead and boil a pot of water. You're going to need this water to seal the ends to make sure that the ends do not unravel. So you're basically going to be very careful with this water. Get a cup that can hold heat, and like a mug or something that's going to hold heat and not burn you while you're holding it. Lay your towel across your shoulder and go ahead and dip the ends of the hair into the boiling hot water. And slowly bring it out. Be extremely careful because you can burn yourself, and we don't want you to burn yourself. And pretty much just do every single last braid in sections and just dip it in the hot water. Once you've dipped it in the hot water, you're going to go ahead and spritz your ends to have an extra hold. And then you're just going to take some hairspray and spray your hair all over just so it'll stay and you don't have to worry about frizzies or anything like that. Then all you have to do is just add some bedazzles if you like, and voila, you're done. And it should look something like this. Hope you guys enjoyed. See you next time.